Hi, this is Ajay, Chief Operating Officer of Abasha Rehab and Wellness. Abasha is a luxury rehab and we deal with all form of addictions and mental health disorders. We have three centers in India, one in Maharashtra and two centers in Coimbatore. We also have a corporate office at Coimbatore. We run our operations basically from the corporate office. And yeah, we started in 2019. It was just one center with 20 bedded facility. The operation was completely under control. We were able to maintain and we were able to handle all the operations, right from admission to discharge of clinical workflow, and everything was handled by us. But when we started expanding and when the organization started growing, we were desperately in need of technology support. By the time I was looking for various software development companies and various pre-built softwares for our operations. But rehab is something different from hospital and other healthcare sectors. And being a luxury rehab, it also involves a hospitality industry into us. So by then I reached out to Zoho and we found the wonderful software product of Zoho Creator. That was our first Zoho software, and I think they said it was low code software and all other product explanations was given by the Zoho team, and I feel that was not, it is not a low code and it is the right code for us for our development. So, and one fine day we purchased and our they introduced ITK team to us. So they are not just a vendors; they are, they became our technology consigns. So they travel along with us and. Almost they took more time to understand and they came into our process and they understood the people of Abasha. They were able to understand the process. They basically understood the pain points that what we were going through, and from there we together started developing the software phase by phase, module by module, and to handle all our clinical workflows, HR, finances, purchases, and billings. So everything was developed as a module, and phase by phase we developed the software. Now we are using, almost we are in last 6 months we are using this software efficiently for the phase 1, right from admission to billing and discharges, and we are going to shortly live our phase 2. It was excellent working with ITK team. They were really supporting us. They had willingness to walk with us and understand our requirements, and they were able to help us at times. They also suggest a lot of process, and so now we are happily working with the phase 1 developed software from the Zoho Creator, and so almost our most of our operations got into it. Now we are not using Excel sheets, other productivity software, productivity tools for our operations. So Zoho Creator is taking care of that. Following the Zoho Creator, we also purchased Zoho People, Zoho Payroll, and your books, and we almost done API with all your softwares, and we Abasha feel healing is not just a process. It is an ecosystem that should support the treatment journey. So to have to keep that ecosystem, we would wanted a seamless ecosystem to develop ERP like systems. So I think Zogo ecosystem really helped us well, and it was a great journey of development. I learned a lot along with the ITK team, and we are able to implement this software in live into the team across 3 centers. And thank you so much. Thank you, Zogo. Thank you, ITK, and thank you, Ms. Soumya. So your guidance was very much helpful for our new technological journey that we stepped into, and I hope our further expansions will be more efficient for our operations using our Zogo Creator. Thank you once again.